Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are good and doing well at home. So students, we were doing chapter number 4 algebraic expressions, and so far we have completed total 8 exercises from this chapter. And as you know that this chapter belongs to the algebra section, so you should all of you should have your algebra copies in front of you. Okay, yesterday we have completed exercise number 4.8. So what we are going to start today, we are going to start exercise number 4.9, and we will try to solve question number 1. But before starting question number 1, you should know what type of formula are going to be used in exercise number 4.9. Exercise number 4.9. Okay, now this is the formula which we are going to use in exercise number 4.9. Now, before starting the lecture, kindly learn this formula. What you have, a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube means if you have two terms and the cube of those two terms will be equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, this is the new formula to find out the cube of any two number. Okay, so you will use this formula if you have a plus b whole cube. So it will be equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, and another formula is this one, a minus b whole cube. Okay, if you have plus and if you have minus, so the formula will be different. What will be the formula if you have a minus b whole cube? So it will be equals to a cube minus, okay, minus sign, okay, minus sign 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, what is the formula if you have a minus b whole cube? So it will be equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, so these are the formula that we are going to apply in exercise number 4.9. Now let's start exercise number 4.9. As you all know that how I'll start the work with the examples. So here you have exercise number 4.9, and the question number 1 is find the cube of. Question number 1 is find the cube of. Okay, so what you have to find out, you have to find out the cube of this value, that is 2x plus 3y. Okay, now let's going to solve it. Let's try to solve it. Okay, and please tell me, you know, what's your responsibility? What do you have to tell me right now? Students, what do you have to tell me right now? Screen is clear. Okay, Mada, thank you. This is what I'm asking about. It's clear. Okay, Ishal, thank you. Okay, Mariam, thank you. Now let's start the work. How will you start your work? First, you will write down your date here. Okay, before starting any work. What will be the date today? 21, 1, 21. Then exercise number 4.9. Okay, and then you will mention here that this is your classwork. Okay, now let's start this work. What you have to find out here, find the cube of. Means what you have to find, you have to find the cube of this value. So first you will write down the solution heading. Okay, first you will write down the heading of solution here. Then how will you find out the cube? Means you have to find out the cube of this term, which is 2x plus 3y. You have to find out the cube of this one. Okay, so for this, what formula you are going to apply here? To find out the cube of this value, what formula are you going to apply here? What will be the formula? Formula is a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube. Okay, here you have plus sign, so you will write here plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus B cube. Okay, so this formula you are going to apply here. Just a minute. Now look at here. You have to apply this formula here. Now, first you have to decide which is A and which is B. So you will write here A is equals to what? What is your term A? This 2x. So you will write A is equals to 2x and term B is equals to this one. That is 3y. Your term is equals to 3y. Now what you will do, you will put the value of A and B in the above formula. In this formula, you are going to put the value of A and B. How will you put it? A plus B. So here you have 2x plus 3y. So you will write here 2x plus 3y whole cube will be equals to a cube. So a is 2x. So you will take the cube of 2x. Okay. Then the sign of addition. Then this 3. Okay. Coefficient 3. Then the variable a. What is a here? Again 2x. So inside the bracket you will write here 2x but along with the square. Then y is 3y. So inside the bracket you will write 3y bracket close. Okay, now move on to this one, this term, which is 3ab square. So you will write here plus 3. Inside the bracket, you will write down the value of a, which is 2x. And then in the next bracket, you will write down the value of b, which is 3y. So you will write here 3y whole cube. Sorry, whole is square, not cube, it's the square. Okay, then plus B, what is B? 3y. So you will write the whole cube of 3y. Is it clear? You will write here the whole cube of 3y. Now in the next step, what you are going to do, you are going to solve these terms together. Now how will you solve it? Simply you will write here equals to sign. No need to write this thing again. Just take the cube of 2. So the cube of 2 will be what? Cube of 2 will be 4 or something else. Anyone please tell me? Students, please tell me cube of 2. Very good, Shiza. Very good. Very good, Anas. Very good, 8. Ishal. Okay, Anas and Ishal. Okay. Here you have 2 cubes. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 will be 8. And x cube. So you will write here, this is x cube. Then the sign of addition here. Now, you are not going to multiply this 3 by 2 because this term has a square here. So simply you will write here 3 and inside the bracket you will take the square of 2. So 2 square of 2 will be 4x square. इस पे भी square आएगा. 4x square. 4x square. You have to take the square of x as well as 2. Okay. Then bracket close. Then simply you will copy down here, which is 3y. No need to take the cube of 3y here. Then again plus. Now no need to multiply this anyone because here you have to take the square of 3y. Simply copy down 3, 2x and take the square of 3. Now what will be the square of 3? Okay. 27. Shiza, 27. Simil, yes, right. Square of 3 will be 9. And here you will take the square of y as well. So you will write here y square and bracket close. Now, here you have to take the cube of 3. Now, the cube of 3 will be 27. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 9 multiplied by 3 is 27 y cube. Okay, clear? Good. Now, next what you have to do, you have to multiply these brackets. Okay. How will you multiply it? Simply you will write here 8x cube plus. Now, please tell me what will be the answer of this term. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. 12 multiplied by 3 is, very good, Abdul Ahad. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. 12 multiplied by 3 is what? Very good, Zimel. Your answer will be 36 x square y. This will be your answer. 36 x square y. Then next is this step. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 6 multiplied by 9. What will be the answer? Very good, Zimel. 6 multiplied by 9. Very good, everyone. So answer will be 6 multiplied by 9 is 54. Okay. And what you will write here? Variables with the variable x, y square. Understand? Now the last is this one. You will copy them. Copied it as it is. That is 27y cube. Okay. This is your final answer. This is your final answer. Please tell me, is it clear? Okay. Now move on to the next one. Now I'm moving on to the next question. This one. One we have done the question of addition. Okay. One we have done the question of addition. Now we are moving towards a question of subtraction. We are trying to solve, trying to apply both the formulas. Okay. Next is of subtraction. Okay, now we are moving towards the next question. What is your next question? This is the next question, that is y minus 1 upon y. But before starting this, again, I'm going to write a date here, which is 21, 1, 21, and exercise number 4.9. Okay. And this is your classwork. This is your classwork. Now, again, what you will do, you will write down the heading of solution here. Okay, this is the heading of solution here. Understand? Now, what you will do, you have to take the cube of this y minus 1 upon y. So you will write here what you have to take. You have to take the cube of this y minus 1 upon y, because in the question you have to find out the cube. Okay, you have to find out the cube of the given questions. Now, after that, what you will do, you will write down the formula that you are going to apply here. So what is the formula? What is the formula? A minus B whole cube. Why a minus b? Because here you have minus sign. So again, you will apply the formula of subtraction here. That is a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. This is the formula for subtraction. Understand? This is the formula for subtraction. Now, next is we are going to decide which is term A and which is term B. So you will write here, A is equals to Y. This is your term A, which is Y. And B is equals to this one, that is 1 upon Y. You will write here, it is 1 upon Y. Okay. Now what you will do, you will put the values of A and Y, A and B in the above formula. Assembled y term A 1 minus y term B. Beta, this is term A. Sign of minus is in the formula. So no need to write here minus 1 upon y. You will take only. No, beta, do not confuse. Look at here. In the formula, you have minus sign. Okay. In the formula, you have minus sign. So you will not take here minus 1 upon y. Okay. In the formula, you have minus sign. Huh? This is a sign of formula. Okay, and this is your term B, which is 1 upon y. So 1 upon y is the B term now. What's wrong in this? Okay, Bilad, is it clear? Bilad, is it clear? Okay, now we are moving towards the values. Means here you have y minus 1 upon y minus 1 upon y whole cube is equals to, now what you have, the cube of term a, which is your term a, that is y. So you will write here the term of term a, that is y cube, then the sign of subtraction here, then this 3. Okay, now term a is y, so you will take the square of, sorry, you will take the square of y, and then in term b you will write, what is your term b, which 1 upon y bracket close, then sign of addition here. Okay, then 3 as a coefficient and a as a variable y. Okay, inside the bracket, and what is your term b, 1 upon y, and then bracket close, and it has square, whole square. Okay, then minus, now what is your term b, 1 upon y, so you will write here 1 upon y whole cube. Understand? Now in the next step you are going to take the cubes of different values. Now cube of y will be y cube minus 3. Now square of y will be y square, but I am writing it inside the bracket because we have to solve it, and the next term will be copied as it is, which is 1 upon y. Okay, then the sign of addition. After that you will write here 3, inside the bracket you will write y, and again inside the bracket you will take the square of 1 upon y. So the square of 1 square will be 1 divided by square of y will be y square bracket close. Okay, minus cube of 1 will be 1 divided by cube of y will be y cube. Understand? Now look at here, what you have to do, you have to perform here cancellation. How you will perform here cancellation? Here in the numerator you have y, and in the denominator, in the numerator you have y square, and in the denominator you have y. So one y will be cancelled with this y. So you will cancel one y, and how many y will be left here? Only one. Here you are talking about that y will not cut here it, because here you have to take the square. Now we are cutting it in the next step, Ishil. Okay, here we cannot cut it now, but first we have to take the square. Okay, then we will cancel it. Yes, you can say that we can, why we cannot cancel this term and this term, because here you have a square. So first you have to open the square. Okay, now next you will do this thing with the, with this term as well. So what you have here, y, single y in the numerator and two y's in the denominator, that is y square. So you will cancel one y with this one y, so one will be left here, one y will be left here, not one y. So what will be the answer? Simply you will write here y cube. Okay, minus, now in the numerator, if I will talk about the numerator, so in the numerator what you have, this 3, this y, and this 1. So 3 multiplied by y will be 3y. Okay, 3 multiplied by y will be 3y, and 3y multiplied by 1 will be 3y. And no need to write anything in the denominator because nothing is left in the denominator. Next is the sign of addition. Okay, now look at here what you have in the numerator. Here you have 3 and 1 only. So 3 multiplied by 1 will be 3, and in the denominator what you have, 1y. How many y are left here? Only 1y. So you will write here y. Okay, and then simply minus 1 upon y cube. Understand? So this is your answer. Is it clear? Is it clear? Please tell me. You cannot cancel these things here because you have to take the square first. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now I'm going to show you the index for today's class. Okay, now I'm going to show you the index, and Now, please open your index page. Okay. I have explained this question. Now, this is your class for today. So copy down the index, write down index in algebra copy, and please correct this date. Just a minute. Everyone, write down the index. Okay, that's good. Okay, Ishal, you were asking about here. Look at here, Ishal. You were asking that why we cannot cut this, because in between these two numbers here is a sign of addition, so we will perform cancellation between the multiplication sign, not between the sign of addition or subtraction. So we cannot cancel any y here, because all this y have minus, plus and minus sign, so you cannot cancel them. Okay, now start your work, everyone. Okay, Shin, now start your work, everyone, and please turn your videos, turn on your videos. Please turn on your videos, everyone. I'm going to check your videos. I have all of you have copied this index. Okay. Okay, Blot. Okay, Meda, you are doing. Okay, Meda, yes, please write here. Very good. Who is this? Moise. Moise, have you done? Very good. Just a minute. I just want to check the answer. Okay, who will write here X? Who will write here X? Okay, Shiza is doing. Right. Please continue, Shiza. Yes. Right here, this is 3. 9x squared. 9x squared. 9x squared. Yes. Very good. Plus, okay, 3. Yes, good. Bracket close. 16. Very good. For 4, 16. 16, 4, 64. Okay, Moise, correct your answer. Now this is 27x cube. Now plus 3 into 9 is 3 into 9 is okay. Miss, I'm going to check your answer again. Miss, Miss, please write here x square, 9x square. This is 9x square. Miss, this is 9x square. Kindly correct it. Okay, very good. Now start the next question. Shiza, I'm going to check your answer again. Very good. Very good, Moise and Shiza. Mariam, your turn. Okay, Meda, just a minute. Uh, Very good, Meda. Very good. Place the sign of equality here. Put the sign of equality here. And good. Now, Ishel. Mm-hmm. Ishel, place here is cube 3x plus 4 whole cube, na? And also place the sign of cube here. Place the exponent here, Ishel. 3x plus 4 whole cube, and that's after the step, yes, here, and in the above, like in the above step as well. Very good. Now solve it. Okay, Ali Rao, Abdul Ahad, what are you doing? Anas, Fatma, Shahid, Shahira, Hamza, Mushtaba, beta, what are you doing? Iman Asif, I'm going to check your answer. Okay, very good. Now you may start the next one. Okay, this is Mariam. Okay, Mariam, good. Please continue. Okay, Bilad has 10. Okay, Bilad, start the next one. Okay, Muhammad Muiz is doing bit number 4. Okay, Fatma Abdul Karim, your answer. Fatma Abdul Karim, where is your answer? Just a minute. Uh-huh. Okay, Anas. Previous word, please. Yes. Okay. Okay, right. Now you start the next question. You may continue the next question. Fatma. Okay. Okay, Shiza. Just a minute. Okay, this is Shiza's work. Shiza, please write here. Shiza, just a minute. After the heading of solution, take the cube of x minus 1 upon x. In, put the brackets. Yes. And q. Yes. Now decide which is A and which is B. Okay, who is this? Huria. Okay, Huria, x square. Huria, 108x square and 114x. Corrected? Huria? Yes. And 144x. Now this is good. Now you may start the next question. Mm-hmm. Right. Right, Abdul Rahman. Why x square? Why you are placing 144x square, Abdul Rahman? Okay, Zimel. Just a minute. Abdul Rahman, this is not x square, this is just x. Corrected, 144x. Okay, thank you. Now start the next question. Zimil, your work. Okay, that's good. Now start the next question. Okay, Fatma Abdul Karim, but your video. Okay, now. Just a minute, Fatma. Yes, Fatma. Where is your video, beta? Okay, Hamza Madni, your answer. Okay, 27x cube. Corrected, beta Hamza. This is 27x cube. Now start the next question. Okay, Mariam. Okay, Mariam, place a sign of equality in the last step, and it is right. Okay, Fatma, Meda. Just a minute, Meda. Okay, okay. X square upon x. Very good. Good, Meda. Very good. Iman Asif. Hmm. Answer last is Iman Asif, place after the heading of solution, put the exponent here, that is cube here. X minus 1 upon x whole cube. Now show me the last steps. Last steps, please. Okay, absolutely right. But please place the sign of cube on first step. Okay, clear? Now just give me a minute. This is the answer of Muhammad Muiz. Okay, Muiz, your answer is absolutely right. And what about the homework, students? Okay, good. Okay, Alira, this is your answer, right? Okay, just a minute. Alira, this is x. X minus 1 upon x. This is x minus 1 upon x. Corrected. And while rest of the things are absolutely right. Okay. Now, previous question, Alira. Okay, 3x plus 4 whole cube. Okay. Okay, absolutely right. Very good. Very good, Alira. Anyone else? Anyone else? Anas, okay. Just a minute, Anas. Anas, plus, here will be plus. 3a square b plus 3ab square. Corrected. This is plus and your b is equals to 1 upon x, not minus 1 upon x. Okay. Correct these two mistakes. Okay. Okay, Ishel. Abdul Rahman, your answer. Okay, Zimel, just a minute. Abdul Rahman, you did a little bit wrong. This will be 3x plus it will be 3 upon x. Okay, this will be 3 upon x, not 3x. Corrected. What you have done, beta? 3 upon x. And have you cut this x? Okay, now it's right. Okay. Anyone else? Meda, I have checked your answer. Fatma. Zemil, beta, where is your video? Okay, now. Your video is here. So you will write here x minus 1 upon x whole cube. B is equals to 1 upon x. 3x plus 3 upon x minus 1 upon x cube. Very good. Very good, Izimil. Now, Ishil. Okay, Ishil, your answer is right. Okay, now, students, I'm going to end the session here. Okay, I'm going to end the session here. And if you want to ask anything and if you have any questions, so you can ask. Ishil, yes, your answer is right. Very good, Ishil. Okay, anyone else? Anyone? Huria's answer.